So the Tyrospot version of Maven is very, very similar to what you've been seeing. Instead of going to the S2B, you're going to go to your waffle and you're going to click on Tyrospot. And let me preface before I go any further with saying that all of the improvements to Maven, all of the stuff that you guys have been asking for, all of those things are going into Tyrospot. Tyrospot will in the future become where the cards for academic for content will be done. So this is just kind of pushing you to get to that spot, no pun intended, earlier than we would have. We were going to kind of wait until the end of the year. I've had some people testing it out in all of the buildings using this, and this just kind of pushing you to that spot a little bit quicker. Same process. We're going over here to the hamburger. We're going down here to learning cards. Now, I'm in the PC building right now, so you can see that there's absolutely nothing here yet. One of the new features is you can sort based on them being created by me or by all. So you can see that Betty Joe has done some practice ones in here. The features that we still have, like copying another teachers, are still here. Everything is pretty similar. There, up here, you can actually make templates of your cards. They are stored in here. So that way, instead of seeing all of your templates in your active learning cards, you can actually store them here. And so now you'll just come here, you'll copy it, and it will actually then bring the new card over into your organization learning cards. Also, if you're in multiple buildings, you can do that same thing. You can actually build them here, and then you can go from one building to another, copying those cards back and forth. So the card making process is exactly the same. When you come in, you'll recognize it, nothing different with it. All of the same tricks that we've taught you are all exactly the same here. The only big difference is now these boxes are separated. So your content box is not that one specific box. The first one is where you're going to put your learning targets and your key terms. The second box, the concept box, is where you're going to put your daily agenda. And then here, this is something that you do not have to fill in unless you feel like it. This is where you can tie real world examples to what you're doing in class. What this is meant for is when we start working with the career cards, then you could actually tie something from those career cards into your learning card for the day. So down here is your quiz question, exactly the same. And then down here is your feedback request. So as of currently, this looks very, very similar to what you've been doing, and it will be almost exactly the same process for you.